Houston estate planning attorney. Planning your estate feels overwhelming, but Texas law empowers you to control what happens to your assets and family. Estate planning decides who will receive your assets, who makes decisions if you are incapacitated, and how your family will be cared for. It covers everything you own and ensures your property passes to your chosen beneficiaries instead of being distributed under strict state intestacy laws. Many families delay estate planning until a crisis, but planning ahead protects your wishes and loved ones. Everyone needs an estate plan because it gives you control over important decisions regardless of age or wealth. Without a plan, Texas intestacy rules determine who inherits your property, which may not reflect your goals and can cause family conflicts. A will is a document that directs how your property should be distributed, names an executor, and designates guardians for minor children. Texas law requires wills to be in writing and signed, and it recognizes handwritten holographic wills if they meet strict requirements. Wills take effect after death, and assets distributed through a will must go through probate, a court process that can take at least 6 months. Despite these limitations, having a will is essential because it is the only way to name guardians and serves as a safety net for assets not covered by other tools. A trust transfers assets to a trustee who manages them according to your instructions and can allow you to avoid probate. Living trusts let you maintain control during your lifetime, remain private, and let you specify when and how beneficiaries receive assets. Trusts can also provide ongoing support for family members with special needs without jeopardizing government benefits. A financial power of attorney authorizes a trusted person to handle your finances, pay bills, and make legal decisions if you cannot. Without a financial power of attorney, your family may have to petition the court for guardianship, which is time-consuming and expensive. A medical power of attorney designates someone to make healthcare decisions on your behalf, and an advance directive states your wishes for end-of-life care. Update beneficiary designations so your plan remains consistent and avoids probate. Probate is the court process that validates a will, appoints an executor, and oversees asset distribution. In Texas, it often takes 6 months or longer. During probate, assets can be frozen and court and lawyer fees reduce what beneficiaries receive. Assets held in a living trust bypass probate entirely, allowing for quicker and private distribution to your beneficiaries. Families with children who have disabilities can create a special needs trust to provide financial support without disqualifying the child from SSI or Medicaid. When a child with disabilities becomes an adult, you may need a guardianship to make decisions. Elder law and Medicaid planning involve preparing for long-term care, and Medicaid has strict income and asset limits. A single person may have no more than about $2,000 in countable assets to qualify. Texas Medicaid has a 5-year look-back period on asset transfers, so early planning using trusts and asset repositioning can protect your family's resources. Review your estate plan every 3 to 5 years and after major life events such as marriage, divorce, births, or significant changes in assets. If someone you named as executor, trustee, guardian, or agent can no longer serve, update your documents to avoid court-appointed fiduciaries who may not share your values. An estate planning attorney can advise you on coordinating beneficiary designations after divorce and ensuring your plan complies with Texas law. This law firm assists Houston families with wills, trusts, powers of attorney, probate filings, and ongoing estate updates. The attorneys at this law firm guide clients through each step, from drafting documents to navigating the Harris County Probate Courts, tailoring strategies to unique needs. For personalized guidance from a lawyer committed to protecting your future, call the law office of Whitney L. Thompson, PLLC, at 281-214-0173 or visit 4201 Farm to Market 1960 Road W Suite 360, Box number 116B, Houston, Texas, 77068, United States.